and Jamie adventure again. Today I'm gonna be show you how to make dates milkshake, or in bahasa they call it susu kurma. It's easy and simple, but before that, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button down below, okay? Let's follow me to do the milkshake dates. Okay guys, you need a dates. I use 7 dates and 1 glass of milk. We need to remove the seeds first. We need to soak these dates on hot water for 15 minutes. Leave it for 15 minutes. Okay guys, it's been 15 minutes now, so let's blend them. Okay guys, this is my dates milkshake.